how much retirement income do you need beyond the resources you already have? Consider things like where you want to live, your monthly expenses, and activities you want to pursue in retirement. And perhaps most importantly, what is your tolerance for financial risk? Are many of your other financial assets in high-risk products like stocks, or in safer products like indexed annuities? In addition to Social Security, a pension, 401k, or IRA, a fixed indexed annuity may be good to have in your financial mix. Since they are tied to a market index, fixed indexed annuities offer the opportunity for growth as the market rises. At the same time, they protect your principal from the uncertainty of market volatility. Like all annuities, they earn tax-deferred interest to help your money grow even more, and they can give you a steady stream of guaranteed income for life. It's worth taking a little time now to make your best choices for the years to come.